Today's video is sponsored by DualBuy, the application currently available in Apple's App Store and Google's Play Store. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're taking a look at the iPhone 11. I purchased this one in the purple, not so purple color. The Apple calls purple, I believe is more like a lavender. And today we've been unboxing all iPhones. The iPhone 11 Pro has been unboxed. If you want to check out that video, links will be in the description. This is the iPhone 11, and we'll also be unboxing the iPhone 11 Pro Max, which should be arriving here in studio shortly. As I mentioned, this is the purple color, but the iPhone 11 is the replacement of the iPhone XR, and it comes in 6 different colors just like the iPhone XR, but there's a few new colors this year, including the purple. So it comes in the white, it comes in black, green, yellow, purple, and the product red color as well. So let's go ahead and unbox the brand new iPhone 11 purple, not so purple, as I like to call it, lavender. And let's take a look at the box first. The color looks really nice, actually. This year's iPhone 11, the entry-level model now features a dual camera, unlike previous years, the iPhone XR, which had the single camera. Again, this is the successor to the iPhone XR, the iPhone 11. And the font actually matches the color of the phone. So without further ado, let's get inside of the iPhone here and unbox it here. And wow, I always get surprised, and it always feels refreshing to see these new colors that Apple comes up with. This is actually really nice. The chassis of the iPhone has this sort of matte texture finish to it, which matches beautifully with the phone. We'll get to the phone here in a few seconds. We also have the paperwork inside of the box, of course. We have the hello, we have a SIM extractor, some Apple stickers, just the usual stuff here as well. We have the headphones, which come inside of the box. These are going to be the lightning connection. So we have the actually charging cable, and the difference between the iPhone Pro and the iPhone 11 is that this one comes with a 5-watt charger, so no fast charging for the entry-level iPhone 11. But without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at the body of the iPhone. It looks stunning. I have to say, these new colors really do look a lot better in person. When I was seeing these in videos and Apple's presentation, I thought those colors don't look so nice, but it looks really nice. I think you guys are going to really enjoy the new lavender or purple color, as Apple likes to call it. At the bottom, we have the lightning connection, just like every other iPhone. On the left, we have the SIM. We have the power button here. We have the 2 cameras on the back. We have the Apple logo, which now sits directly in the center of the iPhone in comparison to the previous iPhone, which was towards the top. No more iPhone branding towards the bottom of the phone. As you see here, no more iPhone logo. Let's go ahead and power up the brand new iPhone 11. Take a look at some of the software, some of the new camera features, some of the new wallpapers. Once it powers up and I set it up, I'll be right back. So the iPhone 11 is all set up. Let's go ahead and unlock, and here it is, the home screen, of course, with the wallpaper for iOS 13. I have to say, the color is so beautiful. I picked up these cases from today's sponsor, DualBuy. This is a mobile application for iOS as well as Android, and I like these clear silicone cases because these cases do not cover up the color and the beauty of the phone. This iPhone case actually came directly from their application. I did request a few of these, so I have a few here, and you can purchase all kinds of products inside of this application, from iPhone cases to screen protectors, and they have really fast and free shipment to the United States with high quality products built in the United States as well as China. They ship directly to you. They also have local pickups as well. And one thing that I like is their new feature, which is the cart pull. So it's when you go to buy a product, before you purchase the product, you can invite friends and they can purchase the same product and you'll get more discounts. I did pick up these cases here because they're clear, they're easy to install, they protect the iPhone, and then they show you the actual color and you can enjoy your device. So check out DualBuy, links in the description, again, both for iOS and Android. I'll link down below the silicone clear cases that I purchased from them. They had a really fast shipment. These cases arrived in like 2 to 3 days. It was super fast directly to me, so I like that a lot. No middleman. And when you purchase with the friends, you can save even more money with the new DualBuy application available for iOS. Again, links in the description. So let's take a look at the software here. So let's go into settings. Let's go to wallpapers. I always like to take a look at the wallpapers, and here are all the new live wallpapers for the iPhone 11, as you can see there. So that's that one. This one here looks really nice as well. Depending on the color of the iPhone that you choose, you'll be able to select the wallpaper to match, which is really cool. Now, it should be iOS 13.0 for the software update. Let's take a look. Yep, there it is, 17A577. That is the build number, and the new camera settings are available here. The new iPhone 11 features the wide camera, so you can now capture more of your images and videos, and you also have a new shutter that I demonstrated on the unboxing for the iPhone 11 Pro, where you can tap and hold on the photo settings and it will actually start capturing video, and you can lock that in place. There's a ton of cool options and new features inside of the camera apps for both the iPhone 11 and the iPhone 11 Pros. So thank you for watching my unboxing of the lavender or purple iPhone 11. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you real soon. Peace.